It's the 1st of October 2018 and I'm about to commit to camera to do a drawing a day for the whole of October as part of Inktober. I don't normally talk on my videos, but I figure if I actually say I'm going to do this and put it out, then I'll probably have to do it. And then I'm going to post on Instagram every day for 31 days, he says. I tried it last year. I think I got 4 days in. I think the biggest problem I have is not so much the drawing time, it's coming up with the ideas. I know a lot of people do really quick sketches for Inktober and it's, you know, done is better than perfect, just get the challenge done. But I really want to try and do 31 original drawings and then look at them all at the end of the 31 days and you know, say I did the best I could. And there's going to be a lot of artists who are currently on Instagram who I think are just phenomenal. That's how you learn. I'm going to look what they do, try and work out what gives their pictures some magic and bring my own subjects to them. I won't get anywhere close, but it'll be fun. So Derek Overfield is one that I'm going to really try and explore his technique. I think he's absolutely fantastic. He does these kind of really emotive, expressive, loose figure drawings. Another artist is Marina Gonzaleze Eme. I probably completely butchered that name, but she's working out of Madrid and does these really colourful, explosive kind of abstract figures. But they both did Inktober last year. So go and check their Instagram accounts out. I hope they do it again this year. I'm not going to be doing them in sketchbooks. I'm going to be doing them on nice A3 paper. I'm also going to show the working out process. So for me, I find a lot of videos I watch on YouTube have these incredible drawings that just seem to come off the top of people's heads. Maybe there's a fine pencil outline, but it's as if they just thought of it on the spot. Maybe I'm missing a trick, but I've never been able to work like that. So I work out of these sketchbooks. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to try and show the process of how I come up with the idea as well as doing the final idea. I've only got a couple of hours a day to do all these. So what I did is I went back and I looked at some of my old work. I've not worked a lot in ink, but I pulled up 2 pictures that I did before. The picture on the left, I really like the composition. I've never really been able to replicate anything else like it, so I might try and do something in a similar style and pull it off this time. And also the bathroom scene's the same as the one on the right here. The girl in the shower, woodcut. I think the curve's really nice on this back. So what I'm going to try and do, and maybe have these 2 figures combined, simplify it down. The artist that I'm going to try and explore today is has got the Instagram account Buckley Now, and she does these very simplistic line drawings. She calls herself a visual philosopher. Wish I'd thought of that. And there's just this wonderful balance to her pictures, and they kind of seem completed in one stroke. Now, they might well be, but I would hazard a bet that there's thousands of sketchbooks on her desk. So I had a flick through this sketchbook, which I did a year and a half ago in Madrid, when we were going around the Reina Sofia gallery. And I found these sketches where I tried to do some pictures like Andre Masson. Yeah, I just couldn't get it. So what I tried to do is I tried to get these to draw some figures to start with, and then try and replicate his style by simplifying that. But then when I saw this picture just now, this circle here, which kind of, it's not working. No, pen's not working. So this is the fat one. Ooh. So you've got this kind of circle here. If you insert the bath here, that'd be really nice. And then try and simplify this so that it's kind of got that aesthetic that Buckley gets. So that's what I'm going to try and do. And then maybe I'll have something hanging from the top. I'm going to work on a few of those now and see where we end up. So whatever I decide to do with these 2 figures, I think I will have something coming down from here. There's a disco ball in the other one. It's a bit weird. Maybe something really weird we could have hanging from the ceiling, like a transistor radio. As if, I don't know. No, silly idea. Just not sure about the bath. So there, here we got the lantern, and then I think this kind of bath works much better. Yeah, and that's it. So let's do it. I am going to be using pencil to mark it out. I've spent a while on this already, so I've got to do one of these a day, so let's speed it up. With that, you definitely see some of Buckley's influence. I like the simplification of the two figures. I think they came out well. I just think I'm not going to do the bit here. I might make the whole thing black, just a whole black bang. It might be too much, but I'm going to go for it. And then I think I can leave this white as the string or the cable. Yeah, let's do it. And I'm potentially about to ruin it. Looks nice and minimal. This might be a really stupid idea. So I'm trying to keep a clean cut aesthetic. Definitely a lot of the other pictures I do are going to be much looser. Finished. Quite happy with that. Yeah, I think I got that kind of much simpler composition taken from the original bath picture, and also that nice curve from the shower picture, as well as, you know, simplifying those images. So if you're watching this, that means that day one is completed. This picture is up on Instagram and on my website, and it's for sale. They're all going to be £85, so that's about $100. Is it about $100? Should probably check that. I was about 110. Just over $100. I am going to hold on to them all after purchase until the end of October. There's no shipping until the 1st of November, because I'm going to do a video at the end of October showing all of my pictures. I'm probably going to run out of inspiration around about day 15. So if there's any artists that you think I might have missed on Instagram, just drop me a message. I'd love to know. But yeah, we're all done. So follow me on Instagram. You subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you like me rambling in these videos or not. And yeah, that's me done. Day one. What am I going to do for day two?